GEEKOM Air 12 Lite Mini PC Review, Small Form, Mighty Performance. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful mini PC, the GEEKOM Air 12 Lite with a 3-year warranty and powered by Intel's 12th Gen twin-core CPU could be the perfect fit. In this video, I take a deep dive into the performance, build quality, connectivity, and real-world usability of this impressive little machine. Whether you're a student, remote worker, content creator on a budget, or someone simply looking to upgrade your home office setup, the GEEKOM Air 12 Lite deserves your attention. Magnifying glass tilted left design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly compact the Air 12 Lite is. It's a true space saver, making it ideal for tight desk setups or even mounting behind a monitor using the included Visa bracket. Despite its size, the chassis feels premium, solid construction with a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic. It blends seamlessly with modern workspaces, whether at home or in an office. Gear performance, Intel 12th Gen delivers. Under the hood, the GEEKOM Air 12 Lite packs an Intel 12th Gen processor, part of Intel's efficient Alder Lake architecture. The twin-core CPU may not sound groundbreaking on paper, but in real-world use, it holds its own surprisingly well. In my benchmarks and daily testing, it handled multitasking, light content creation, productivity tasks, and even casual gaming with ease. Tasks like browsing with 10+ Chrome tabs, streaming in 4K, editing documents and spreadsheets, running Zoom or Teams video calls, light photo and video editing were all smooth and responsive. Thermal management was also solid, thanks to the efficient internal cooling system. The fan noise stays minimal even under load, making it suitable for quiet environments. Floppy disk storage and RAM options. My unit came with 512GB SSD and 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Plenty for most users. The NVMe SSD ensures snappy boot times and quick app loading, while the RAM makes multitasking stress-free. Both components are upgradable, which is rare at this price point and form factor. Electric plug connectivity galore. One of the highlights of the Air 12 Lite is its robust I/O selection. It includes multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.0, dual 4K display support, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, a 3.5mm audio jack. This makes it flexible enough to serve as a desktop replacement, media center, or even a mini server. Shield 3-year warranty, a major plus. GEEKOM offers a 3-year warranty, which is well above the industry standard. This is a strong signal of the company's confidence in product quality and gives you peace of mind. In a market full of budget mini PCs with questionable after-sales support, this is a standout feature. Direct hit: who is this for? If you're a student needing a compact system for schoolwork, a professional who wants a reliable and silent workstation, a media consumer looking for a 4K capable streaming device, a tech enthusiast wanting a portable secondary PC. This mini PC checks all the boxes. While it's not a gaming rig or a rendering powerhouse, the Air 12 Lite excels in everyday computing and multitasking, which is what most users need. Balance scale pros and cons summary. Pros: heavy checkmark, compact and stylish design. Heavy checkmark, efficient Intel 12th Gen CPU. Heavy checkmark, upgradable RAM and SSD. Heavy checkmark, dual 4K monitor support. Heavy checkmark, silent operation. Heavy checkmark, excellent connectivity options. Heavy checkmark, 3-year warranty included. Cons: crossmark, not suitable for high-end gaming or 3D rendering. Crossmark, no Thunderbolt support. Crossmark twin-core CPU is great for light to medium workloads, but not intensive tasks. Brain final verdict. The GEEKOM Air 12 Lite Mini PC punches well above its weight class. It's a thoughtfully designed, capable little machine that meets the needs of modern users without breaking the bank. With solid performance, excellent build quality, and a generous 3-year warranty, it's a strong contender in the mini PC market. If you're looking for a compact, quiet, and reliable Windows Mini desktop, this might just be your best buy. Backhand index pointing right. Watch the full video for live benchmarks, thermal tests, and side-by-side comparisons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.